one load in the chamber now. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Okay. Damn, the thing just keeps getting caught. Oh, there we go, we got her. Yeah. So here's the microwave. Shot the propane tank inside it. Oh my god. There we go. See this? That there. Door's completely off. Just sprayed the whole inside. See how much. He didn't even do that too much damage. It didn't explode. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's that. Oh, that's fucking cold. That's real cold, man. Wish I had to burn. It went in, but it didn't go out. That is weird. Oh, it hit the back. Yeah. It did way less damage than I thought it would. I mean, it literally just sprayed it. It didn't even really explode. 420-pound Atlas stone versus microwave. Oh! Ready? This fucking microwave. Oh, she's leveled.